Hey there, welcome back to the Evolve channel. Today, we're diving into the world of essential oil benefits in the last of my three-part series on tangerine essential oil benefits. I'm Dr. Kara Hanks, shamanic practitioner, certified essential emotions coach, spiritual mentor, and educator. I am passionate about empowering you to take control of your wellness so you and your loved ones can experience less stress, better health, and greater inner peace because you have natural, healthy options you can trust. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and click on the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video or go live here on YouTube. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends on your social media platforms so that they can be empowered too. Also, stick around to the end of this video so I can share with you how to download my free chakra activation blueprint or join my free Evolve with Kara app. In this video, however, I'm going to answer the question, what are the benefits of tangerine essential oil when diffused in your home, your workspace, or even while traveling? You will discover tangerine essential oil, spiritual benefits, and many other uses for tangerine essential oil. So grab a notebook, a pen, and your favorite beverage and settle in for the next few minutes. I have a lot to share with you. Tangerine essential oil is energizing and relaxing. Close your eyes, deeply breathe in the aroma of this delightful citrus essential oil, and you'll be quickly and easily transported to a sunny grove of tangerine trees. Inhaling the aroma of tangerine oil directly from the bottle, from your hands, or diffusing it in your living space can create a soothing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Its calming properties can help alleviate anxious feelings and promote emotional balance. Tangerine oil isn't just a treat for the senses. When diffused, tangerine essential oil promotes curiosity and it encourages a sense of adventure. Its bright, citrusy aroma can awaken your senses, and it can inspire you to explore new possibilities while also bringing a sense of calm and peace. If you're feeling stuck in the monotony of everyday life, diffusing tangerine oil can help lift your spirits and infuse your environment with a sense of excitement and possibility. Lastly, one of my favorite but likely least known applications for tangerine essential oil is an energetic or spiritual application. Did you know the spirit or consciousness of tangerine has an affinity for protecting us and the things we love? Before leaving your home, consider diffusing tangerine oil to create a vibration of protection. Its uplifting scent can help safeguard your space while you're away, providing peace of mind and a sense of security while you're gone. Planning a trip and wondering how to protect your personal energy? As an empath, I can often feel fatigued and bogged down while traveling. Tangerine oil has become a perfect travel companion, and it can be there for you too. Create a spritz by combining tangerine oil with water with a pinch of sea salt in a spray bottle and mist yourself while traveling. Not only will the refreshing scent of tangerine oil keep you feeling invigorated during your journey, but it will also help uplift your mood and ease any travel-related stress. There you have it. Key benefits of tangerine essential oil. Whether you're seeking adventure, protection, or a little pick-me-up, tangerine oil has got you covered. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone you know who could benefit from this information. Perhaps you know an empath as well. Consider subscribing and turning on notifications for more tips on how to use essential oils to enhance your well-being. Now, to get your hands on all that free stuff, first, I want to personally invite you to my next free 5-day Awaken Quest. The link to register is in the description. Awaken is only offered 3 times a year. There's also a link in the description for my free app, Evolve with Kara, and finally, a link to download my free chakra activation blueprint. That's all for now. Have a wonderful, enjoyable day.